So, if you've clicked on this video, you're probably trying to enchant your items to enchantment level 255. And this video is going to explain exactly how to do that. So, a couple things I want to go over first, that enchantment level 255 isn't normally attainable in Minecraft. You're not supposed to be able to get an item that does that much of anything. You're not able to enchant anything to that level. Typically it's about, like Unbreaking 3 for example, it's not 255. So that would have that would be breaking the game. You'd have to be in creative, you'd have to have cheats on in order to attain such an item. And to do that, you'll need a command. The command I'm about to paste here in my chat. As you can see, I have a slash. Forgot the slash. You see slash give at s. This can be s is just for closest. This can be your name, specifically as you can see, my character name. Then Minecraft with a space, Minecraft colon netherite underscore sword. This could be anything. You could make this a piece of meat even. Doesn't really matter. Minecraft steak or like let's go with the saddle. Yeah, Minecraft saddle. Minecraft, and then a bracket, Minecraft colon enchantments equal levels, all this. I'll just put this in the description for you guys to copy and paste. But you can change sharpness to anything. Let's say unbreaking. It's like so. You'll have unbreaking, but we want let's say knockback. Knockback's one of the funniest ones you can get. So this is a saddle with knockback enchantment level 255. Now, normally you're not able to do that. I'm just going to destroy some of these items. I had them from earlier. Trying to experiment on something. So we'll get rid of those. Normally you're not able to do that. You can't even enchant a saddle. But using cheats you can do that. And you'll see here, I'll knock back this iron golem to heaven. Oh, doesn't seem to be doing anything. Okay, that's interesting. That's a bit embarrassing. Alright, so it does knock back villagers, but not the iron golem, which is unique. I didn't think iron golems don't get knockback, but you'll see that I can knock back the sheep, the villagers. Let's see here, like this villager will knock him into infinity. Look at that, he's just gone. You can just send him flying. Well, this isn't normal, obviously. You're not supposed to be able to do this. And that's just because of the command that I just put in. Now that obviously can be anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be a saddle. It can be a sword, an actual sword if you want. But then again, this is a cheat. This isn't normal. You can't do this in Minecraft typically. As you can see, another right sword with sharpness 255. You can kill anything in one shot. See villagers. Let's break this guy's bed. There you go. One shot kill. This does theoretically infinite damage. You could kill the Ender Dragon with this, with one shot. As you can see, iron golems, useless. Just kill them all. Kill anything with that. But yeah, that would be how to obtain any item you want in the game and enchant it to any enchantment you want. And enchantment level 255. Unfortunately, it doesn't go higher than that. 255 is the max you can go to. But yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, please leave them below, and I will be happy to answer them. But I will catch you guys at a different time.